Mobile paint repair. You are in the right place. Mobile paint repair or smart repair technique has transformed how we repair cars. It allows us to fix just the damaged area without replacing the entire panel or bumper. SMART stands for Small to Medium Area Repair Technology. It's a technique for repairing small areas of car bodywork damage. We use specialist tools, materials and paints to blend the repair with the surrounding panel. It's much quicker and cheaper than traditional car body repairs. I can save you a great deal of inconvenience, expense and worry on both repairs to your bodywork and repairs to alloy wheels by coming directly to you. I have a vast amount of experience dealing with most major dealerships and franchises in the area. I can guarantee complete satisfaction. Call Tom now on the number below for your free estimate. Thanks for looking.